Prepare the tools for film application. Clean the mobile phone. Take out the film from the base film. Tear off the middle auxiliary strip. Gently tear an opening on both sides. Press the film with one hand and gently tear the auxiliary strip with the other hand. Put the film on top of the phone accurately. After confirming the alignment, press the auxiliary strip to stick the screen. Place the scratch card on the auxiliary strip. Lift half of the film and push it forward smoothly with a scratch card. When the scratch card is about to reach the top, you should push out sideways in the fan chain. Apply this side of the film needs to be pulled 1 centimeter and then pushed forward smoothly. If your phone has a curved screen, gently press the curved surface with a cleaning cloth. Slide it twice more. Do the same on both sides. At last, remove the top layer and done. The first one is that sometimes after you apply a film, you can see two lines in the middle of the phone. Use a scratch card to scratch repeatedly until it is removed. If it still can't be removed after repeated scraping, the line will be repaired automatically within 24 hours. The second one is that there may be some bubbles or glue spots around the edges of the screen. Spray a little cleaner on the release layer. Gently poke into the film, and then wipe smooth with a cleaning cloth.